to get those coals, to get like a nice flat spot. And we're gonna show you how to cook steak when you're camping. So give me just a second. I don't know if there's a place I can put this temporarily that's not too close or too far. Might just have to set the camera down for a second. Hold on. There's my steak. Okay, and I forgot to bring soap with me, so I don't want to really touch this raw meat. I'm just gonna dump it in there, move it around with some sticks. We're gonna cook it right on those super hot coals right there. Let me fan the fire just for a second. Get the heat up nice and good. So we know those coals are hot. That tinfoil thing right there is my sweet potato. It's been in for about an hour. So by the time I'm done with these steaks, sweet potato will be ready. All right. Are we ready? Going for it. See if I can do. There's 2 thin cut steaks that have been pre-salted heavily, liberally. I don't want to say heavily. There they go. Oh, these are hot. There we go. About 45 seconds on both sides. Whew, it's getting hot. Don't want to burn my phone up. Fan those things. Keep that heat up. All right. I feel like that's been about 45 seconds. It might have been a little too long. Now let's see. I didn't bring tongs with me either. Whoo-wee! Have to man up and do this. Ooh! Ooh! Some nice char. We can pick that off in a second. Ooh, man, that's too hot to grab. Oh, it's hotter on that side. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Ooh! Cooking my hand. All right. 45 seconds. I know it looks weird now, but we are going to actually, I'm just gonna pick all those coals off that are stuck to it. We're gonna wrap it in tinfoil, you'll see. Let's see, about 20 more seconds. It is hot in there. That's definitely hotter than any oven. And that is direct contact heat. Now I got myself this little tin foil. I folded up so it'd fit neatly and not get too wrinkled up. And we're gonna make a pocket out of this. Steaks going on that bad boy. And it has been over 45 seconds, so whoo-wee. I meant to bring some kind of tongs with me. I do have a survival knife. Should have thought about that first. Okay, there's one. Ooh. There's two. Oh, those things are still glowing on there. Alright, let me put my knife back so I don't step on it because it is pitch black out here. It's about 9 o'clock at night. We'll just pick off these big pieces. Whew, that one was still hot. Let's get a stick and do this faster. Whew, hot. There are still glowing embers on some of these coals. No! Alright, guys. And there we go. And then I got most of it off. Alright, now we're going to wrap these bad boys up in as tight of an air pocket as we can. And what we're doing here is sealing in the heat. I could have done that a lot faster if I had tongs. But we're going to just seal in the heat. We're going to let it rest for 15 minutes. They'll finish cooking by their own heat, sealed in there. And they're sitting on a hot rock kind of close. I mean, it's not crazy hot over there. The rock's not burning my hand, but 15 minutes. We're going to unwrap these bad boys and get another video.